Hello Glamours and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. And if you're not aware by now, I'll be launching a DIY channel for kids coming this summer. I'll have a link below if you want to subscribe ahead. For this Instagram DIY request, I was asked to create my own fringed chandelier using my own technique and style. If you would like to find out what I created, just continue watching. I purchased these beautiful, very long, gray shimmering curtains from Amazon, and this is what I'll be using for my DIY project. For all questions and DIY requests, please follow me on Instagram, link below. To make it easy to cut the curtains to the length that I need, I'll be folding them on top and then I'll be holding them in place using a butterfly clip. Next, I'll be taking my measurements and I'll use very sharp scissors so I'll have an even cut straight across. The remaining fringes, I'll be holding it together using a rubber band. This curtain did not come full enough, so I'll be using the remainder of the fringes to fill in between the spaces. For the strings in between the spaces, I'll be using this L-shaped tweezers, but you may also use a bobby pin or a crochet needle. And this is very easy to do. Just take the string, fold it in half to create a loop. Take the tweezers, insert it in between the spaces, attach the loop, and take the remainder of the strings and pull it right in the center of the loop, and then pull it in place to hold. I'll repeat the same steps going across, and this will make the curtain much fuller. I'll have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms linked below. Next, I'll be using three different size embroidery hoops, and I'll start by using my wire cutters to remove the metal clips. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Next, I'll start gluing them back together. Next, I'll be using one large skewer, and I'll be cutting it into two to fit the center of the 12-inch hoop. And to cut my skewer, I'll be using a dog nail trimmer. And I always get this question, why I always use a dog nail trimmer to cut my skewers is because I get even cuts. Next, I'll take both skewers and I'll place them on top of the hoop, 3 inches apart, and then I'll glue them in place. Next, I'll place the medium size and the small size on top of the skewers, and then I'll glue them in place. Once that was done, I took it to a well-ventilated area and spray painted one coat of metallic silver. Next, I'll be using these clear acrylic crystal beads, and they come with an iridescent shine. And I'll be cutting for the small hoop. I'll be cutting 20 pieces at 18 inches long. And for the medium size hoop, I'll be cutting 30 pieces at 18 inches long as well. And then I'll start gluing them in place a half inch apart from each other. All the shimmering and lighting will be stunning in that special room in your home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoyed creating it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you wish. Turn on your notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.